video ever. Listen, let's try to act like we are normal, professional. Wait a minute, we're not professional. We both quit our job a month ago. No. How long it's been?
I don't even know.
7 weeks. We have been unemployed for 7 weeks.
Why are we talking about this? Like, what's fun?
What do you want to talk about?
I don't want to talk about that.
Give me a subject. I will go with you. Okay, give me one.
Let's just try music or something.
Oh,
Yeah.
you know what? Let's watch.
Happy stuff.
Let's
What
watch.
the fuck?
I want to hear something very important to me.
I want to hear down.
No, that's not the thing I was saying.
Okay, well.
That's not. That is important to
let's
me.
do something.
All right, no, don't look. Don't look.
I want to
Here.
hear it.
We will go.
I will go with you.
Wait, I'm putting on stuff. I know. This will make us so happy.
Okay, good. Let's do it.
Ready? Oh boy, you're gonna freeze. Oh. I have the newest bed there ever was. No, wait. Wait.
Here we go.